What up, IC Squad? We're making slime. So it's a slime challenge. Slime war. Whoever makes their slime the fastest and put it in the refrigerator the fastest wins. Whoever has the better slime, that's what he wins. I know my slime's gonna be that. You don't even have your plate. You don't even have your plate.
I know.
So you're not doing it?
I'm doing it.
Then hurry up. Your plate is in the bathroom. Don't waste plates.
Oh. Okay, guys, I'm back. She's over.
Okay. I need this to be here so you'll be able to see both of us making slime. So, no, it doesn't work.
We'll go first. No, don't hold it right there. They're going to see the knife.
Oh my god.
Put it right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Can y'all see us better?
Yeah, they can see. Okay. I hope you got a mixing tool.
Give me that red one.
You want to rinse it off?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that red one. Give me that red one.
If you don't care, you don't wash it off with your slime ain't gonna come right. Okay. We got our spoons, got salt, got that, and we don't know what this is. That's for decoration.
I know where it is at.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
This is not a challenge. Just say whose slime is the best. Oh,
It's still a challenge.
get it. Get that sock. Guys. Put the timer on 45 minutes.
You gotta mix it until you get bubbles.
I almost got some bubbles. Oh, I got some bubbles.
Let me see. Because I know not a lot of bubbles.
There's more stuff there. Oh, mine's coming together somehow.
I can't do that. I'm gonna have a bigger slime because I made 2 cakes of this. Bigger and better slime than him. Because I'm taking my time. Comment down below if you know Send Me an Emoji song by Brooklyn Queen.
No, you do not sing that.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Send me an emoji. Send me an emoji. If you want a LOL, just send me a laughing face. If you want a Delta ball, laughing heart on my page. All I keep face. Send me an emoji.
Kiss your face.
All I kiss his face. Send me an emoji. If you want a LOL, just
Whose slime is that?
Don't put yours in your way.
It's your slime. It's okay if you mess up. You just have to restart. Alright. I'm restarted and I don't care. No, I'm still restarting.
We don't have any more stuff.
Yes, we do.
I know.
What are you doing?
Trying to put this in here. Okay.
Sit your ass down and do all the extra shit. Turn the TV on, brother.
Okay. I'm about to combine my slimes together, and so I can make a bigger slime. So I think the slime is ready. Yeah, it is. Okay. This slime is ready. Barely. It still needs to go in the refrigerator. Comment down below if you like my slime. Right here. About to show it to you. Hold the camera. Okay. Probably got a little slime on there. Okay, that's my beautiful slime. It's huger than his.
Shut up.
Who you talking to?
You.
I know you ain't talking to me.
Yeah.
I'll slap the freak out of you.
Make me.
That doesn't even make sense. That's my beautiful slime. Okay, we might make another video today. Because we're trying to see if somebody can buy us Play-Doh. So we can make Play-Doh slime. And you just mad because I'm prettier than you.
Her is ugly.
And everybody call you SpongeBob.
So? Butt teeth.
I don't have those teeth like you.
Yes, you do.
That's why my teeth don't go like this.
Oh, you doing it again? Okay, then.
And my teeth not like SpongeBob.
She's ugly.
And your slime messed up. You don't even know how to make right slime.